Hello.
Hello,
Good afternoon.
good afternoon, good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm fine, I'm fine. And how are you?
We
We
are
are
also
also
fine.
fine.
So, as we are meeting first time, could you please introduce yourself at first?
Yes, yes, yes. My name is Hariom Jadon and I am from Agra, Uttar Pradesh. And I have completed my graduation BSc with math. But right now I am teaching in my coaching classes, math subject in Hindi medium. I teach math 10th and 12th student. And but I teach math in Hindi mediums, but I wanted to teach math in English medium, so that's why I'm learning English right now.
I know that in Hindi is your mother tongue language. So, how have you learned this language? What's your English journey?
Yes, so my native language is Hindi, but English is very important. So one day, after before 2 months, only before 2 months, because I am teacher, so I know about grammar, but I don't know speak English anybody before 2 months. But before 2 months, one day I watch the YouTube video. That time I watch a video, conversation video in English. So two-person talking each other in English. So that time I realize I am teacher. I also speaking. I also speak English, but I cannot speak. That time I could not speak English. But before 2 months ago, I started my English speaking journey. So that time I started my English journey, but I don't know how to speak English. That time I didn't know how to speak English, but I started my journey. That time I search some YouTube channel on YouTube. So some practice with YouTube channels. Uh,
Okay, so if you have any question, you can ask me.
okay. So first of all, you tell me about you because both of you are brother and sister.
Yes, we are siblings, brother and sister.
Okay. So both of you tell me about you. Girl says the first. So first of all, your sister tell me.
Okay, tell.
Thank you very much for giving me an opportunity to tell about myself. This is Maliha bint Masud. I study in class 7 recently, and this is Muwaj bin Masud, and he's my brother. We are siblings as well as we are twins. And my father is a professor as well as my mother is a teacher. I think that this is it about myself.
Oh, so where are you from?
Oh, sorry, I forgot it to tell you that I'm from Dinaspur in Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. Oh, okay.
Do you know?
I'm from India. Do you know India? Do you know Uttar Pradesh? Do you listen?
Yes,
We
I
have
know
heard this name.
in Uttar Pradesh that Taj Mahal is placed in Agra, Uttar Pradesh.
You know about Taj Mahal, but I don't know about Bangladesh. I don't know any state or in Bangladesh. I don't know.
Yes, I also know that Emperor Shah Jahan made this Taj Mahal in almost 400 years ago.
Yes, you know about Taj Mahal. So, brother, you tell me about you.
Okay, thanks for giving me an opportunity to introduce myself. So, first of all, I would like to tell you that my name is Muwaj bin Masud. As you know, I am from Dinaspur district, Bangladesh, yes, and this is my sister. We are siblings and twins, baby. We study same class, class 7. And I think that's all about me.
Oh, both of you study in one school only.
We study in same school, and the school is private sector.
Oh, so are you studying in only same class?
Yes,
Yes,
same class.
class.
Oh, so How many students are there in your class?
There are 38 students in my class.
So all student always present.
No,
Uh,
no.
oh,
Some students are absent for some reasons. So,
okay.
brother,
So
how many members are there in your family?
okay, brother. There are 9 members in my family
Who are they?
because 9 members in my family because I am living a joint family because my father and mother and I have 4 siblings, 2 brothers and 2 sisters, and I am youngest, younger all of siblings because I have 2 sisters and 2 brothers, and my elder brother already have got married, and my both of sister got married, but I am bachelor right now. So my elder brother has 2 sons, and so that's why my family have a 9 members.
How have you learned English?
Uh, I have been English for 2 months. I tell you, I told you. So, what is the purpose of learning English?
Oh, actually, there are so many reasons that we are learning this language. So, first of all, I will tell you the main reason on that is English is an international language. My parents inspired us to learn this language, and they told us that in my country, Bangladesh, it is must to get a good job, to get a good smart job, smart salary. Even we need to learn to speak in English. This is why I'm learning in this language. This is the main reason. Also, we have a goal to go foreign countries abroad. So we need English because we won't realize, we won't understand their word, and they also won't be able to understand our word language. So how will we communicate? Just through English. I think this is why we are learning this language. And if I learn this language, I will be go ahead than other students. Also, I will be able to understand every almost every data of mobile phone. This is why I'm learning this language.
Yes, you are right because English, without English you cannot do everything, but with English you can do everything. But my English purpose is the same. I think because I am teacher, so this is my need because I teach in my coaching classes right now in Hindi medium, but I wanted to teach in English medium because a lot of student came to in my coaching classes to study in English medium CBSE board student, but I cannot teach that time. 2 months ago, 2 months ago, I don't teach in CBSE math, but I am trying this time teach in CBSE math. But a second reason because Taj Mahal is the near at my house because Taj Mahal is only 40 kilometer far from my house because I'm from Agra and Taj Mahal is also situated in Agra. So when I one day I went to Agra, so that time a lot of foreigners came to visit Taj Mahal. So when I went to Agra, so that time I could not talk to any foreigners. But if I know English, so I can talk to any foreigners. So this is my region. And after if I want to go outside the India, any other country, so English is the very important to go to outside the India. So these are many regions in learning English. And so, bro, yeah, what does your father do?
My father is a professor.
Professor. And what does your mother do?
My mother is a teacher of government primary school.
Oh, so
Do you have any YouTube channel?
yes, I have no new channel.
What's the name of your YouTube channel?
My YouTube channel name.
Yes, your
Uh,
original name.
काम काज की बातचीत.
How many subscribers do you have?
Only 1,000 subscriber.
Okay, great. How many videos have you uploaded there? Do you know?
Uh, I upload only news channel because I am a reporter, as well as I am reporter because I am doing this time I am doing three type of work. I am teacher. I am owner of the teacher, and I am, as well as I am reporter, and as well as I am farmer.
Okay, are you village or city?
Yes, yes, I am living in village.
Okay, village. So, have you ever visited Taj Mahal?
Yes, yes, bro. I have visited Taj Mahal. Taj
How
Mahal.
many
Tell me.
how many times have you visited Taj Mahal?
I visited Taj Mahal 4 years ago.
Okay, 4 years ago.
How
Yes.
many states in your country?
Sorry, again. Can
How
you ask
many states are there in your
how
country?
many? How
How
many?
many are there in your country?
Your voice is not clear. Again.
How many states are there in your country?
Okay. There are 28. There are 28 states in my country.
Okay, so you are from Uttar Pradesh state, right?
Yes. Uttar Pradesh. I'm from Uttar Pradesh. Do you know Yogi Adityanath? Do you know Yogi Adityanath, Bulldozer Baba?
No.
No. So Yogi Adityanath is the CM of Uttar Pradesh.
Oh, okay. I don't have enough idea about actually Uttar Pradesh. Just I know about Taj Mahal that it is placed beside Jamuna River in Agra, Uttar Pradesh. I just know it.
Oh. So how do you know about Taj Mahal?
Yes, I have known it through YouTube video short.
Oh. So any family members visited Taj Mahal?
No, just we are from Bangladesh. We are living another country. Just my father has gone to Kolkata for 2 times
Oh. So why?
for treatment.
Okay. So bro, do you want to visit Taj Mahal?
Yes, it's one of my future plan to visit Taj Mahal. I want to see.
Okay.
So,
I,
brother, I want to know something about your country from you. Please tell me.
sorry.
Please tell me something about your country, India.
Okay, bro. So, my country is very big, bro. You know, because Bangladesh, Pakistan, Afghanistan. Then my country is very big. Almost all of countries compare my country is very big because there are 28 state in my country, and uh, a lot of people, the population is the very lot of population in my country, you know, because the it's a bird, most of population in my country, uh, compare all of bird this time. And you know Narendra Modi.
Yes,
Yes,
I
we
know
know.
he is the present Prime Minister of India.
So Narendra Modi is the prime minister of India. So Narendra Modi is the very popular in the all over world.
Do you know who is our prime minister?
Sorry.
Do you know who is our prime minister?
No, I don't know. I don't know anything about Bangladesh.
Do you know it? India is our neighbor country.
Yes. I know because Bangladesh is the part of India. Yes.
Yes,
but
our prime minister is Sheikh Hasina. He is very friendly.
oh yes, I listen. Yeah, I listen. This name I listen.
Yes, she is very friendly to your prime minister Narendra Modi. Both are a friend.
Yes, Viro, yes. So, bro, do you have a YouTube channel?
Yes, I have a
Yes, we
YouTube
have a YouTube
channel and
channel.
we are running together name Muwaj and Maliha English Tour. Have you ever visited our YouTube channel?
Uh, yes, Viro, yes.
Okay, which video have you got at first?
I don't know, but before some time I click your video. That time I click that time Sky F on your YouTube channel. I click the Sky F. Then I found the Sky F ID. Your Sky F ID. Uh, okay.
So have a good day.
Okay, bro. Thank you, bro. Nice to meet you. Thank
Nice
you,
to
sis.
all of you.
Same to you. Bye.
Bye, both of you. Bye. Nice to meet.
Bye. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.